Hi everyone, so we're doing a recording of Shotcut by Cyril Sohan, and we're going to show you what happens when you are missing some files or missing some images. First things first, we're going to put a video track and put some images. Okay, any images that we can find. Okay, let's do a sample video, and okay, that's the sample video. It's lagging. It's okay, we're just trying to make a sample out of it. Okay, and let's make it longer. Properties. Okay, let's make it 5. Okay, let's make it 5. And okay, I made it longer so the process would take longer. And oh no, not this one. Let's remove it. Oh no, don't remove this and add another one. Let's go to something. No, we have no. Okay, let's go here. We have snip tool. Okay, no, I don't want to delete that. Any sample pictures that we can use. How about in OBS? I think I deleted all of it. Okay, there's still one. Okay, let's open this. Hi everyone, so we're doing I'm talking in this video and oh my god, no, it's going to shut down. Fuck, no, please, no. Oh my god, I hate you. Close the program. That happens a lot in Shotcut. Okay, let's just try to get. No, I'm not going to recover that. Hi everyone, so we're doing okay, what happened here? Why is it corrupted like this? Okay. What happened here? Hi bro. Okay, we somehow got it. Okay, this is a 6-minute part. Okay, so I'm going to show you what happens. Let's export. Let's make it the hardest way possible for the computer to export it. And export. Okay, export anything. Okay, just save. Okay, let's put in title that we want, and we will corrupt the file that's rendering right now. Let's go to ABS. Okay, it's in 2%. Right now it's on 2%. And I'm going to delete the recording. This is what happens when... Oh, they disabled it. Wow, they fix it. Okay, so I'm going to explain it. In the previous version of Shotcut, you can delete your recorded video. And Shotcut just says, okay, you can delete it. And while doing this, okay, let's see if this happens with pictures, because most of the time it's pictures. It's a pictures problem, but it was not fixed a long time ago. Okay, let's put fix. Let's put a snip picture in it. Want to see if this will still format. Okay, let's put it here and okay, replace it. Okay, so we have a picture now. Let's go to snip. Let's see if I can delete it. Oh, okay. So they didn't fix the picture, but the video format they did. Hi, so I tried to lose something from OBS. I mean from doing Shotcut, and the outcome was the picture and the video that was missing was still there. So they fix it, but if you want to do it, you have to get this Shotcut updated version, because this Shotcut updated version, even if you delete your previous videos, they won't allow it. And if you delete your images, you did delete it, but the Shotcut won't corrupt it. No image will be seen, because I have a sample of it. It's in the description down below, where the comments were just disappeared because I accidentally erased all of those comments. And I'm just going to show link it down below. You can take a look at what happened there. I'm doing a timestamp also on what time it would show. So, but this version of Shotcut, there's no problem. It's this version of Shotcut is what's the yes, I